Using margarine and olive oil can actually make your hair more straightened.
Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like if you like these kind of remedies. So in this video I have tested this type of nutrition and I was so surprised with the results. They became two of my favorite ingredients. You don't really have to spend any money to get your hair more shiny, manageable and smooth. And my hair looks more straightened, smooth and without frizz. But I'll show you the result in the end. So the ingredient that you are going to need is roughly 2 to 4 tablespoons of margarine. And this is what it gives the hair more shine, makes it more straight for being rich in fats and different kinds of oils, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and you can add more or less depending on the length of your hair. And then just mix it all together until you get this kind of creamy consistency. Now to apply this remedy, I have started by applying it layer by layer on dry hair before washing it, and leave it for 40 minutes to 1 hour. You don't need to leave it for longer than that. And then just wash your hair with a good shampoo that cleans the hair well. Don't use a deep cleaning shampoo for this because it can dry the hair too much. You can use a creamy one. I have used this one that I have been testing out and it worked really well on my hair to remove this treatment. And then I've just used the same brand of conditioner, and this one leaves my hair smelling amazing. And then I've took the excess of water with the cotton t-shirt and I started by adding some leave-in on my hair and then just heat protector and started by drying my hair. And honestly, you can feel that the hair feels much more straight compared to what you look like. I did this remedy and my hair used to be really curly naturally, and over the time has been changing with all of these home remedies that you have available on my channel. So let's check out the end result. So the hair looks more straight and I have only used my hair dryer, and afterwards I just straightened it. And it only took me 10 minutes when usually it takes me 20 to 30 to get my hair looking like this. So the hair feels super soft and hydrated, more straight, and I love this remedy. I am definitely making it more often. Anybody can make this treatment and it's indicated for any type of hair, even for curly hair. It will make it more nourished, shiny and with the curls more defined. So give it a try and let me know in the comments down below if you have tried it too. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!
Dresses and let's get girly. No worries. Please get back early. Head